So tell us what we can expect moving into tomorrow now.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're talking about calm weather today. Why does that matter? Because tomorrow we're talking about all day storms. So I want you to use today's calm conditions to make sure that you're in place for tomorrow. You have snacks, you have water, you have a plan in place. If a tornado warning goes off and that alert is sent to your phone or your weather radio, do you live in a home that's safe to stay in if there are tornadoes around, or do you need to go spend the day with a friend? Get that plan in place today while things are calm. Tomorrow is a 31 alert day ahead of all day storms, but here's the good news, my friends, it's just tomorrow. By the time we get to Sunday, things are in really good shape for us. Now, all modes of severe weather are possible tomorrow. Damaging straight line winds, hail, which some of us already saw yesterday, talking about a threat for tornadoes, as well as the threat for ponding and flash flooding because of the sheer amount of rain we're going to see in that 24-hour period. And again, it's with us through the day. Now, if you're looking at any type of severe weather warnings or advisories in place, you'll see them for today, day one, but these advisories go into 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. So in fact, today is calm, but we're keeping these risks as we head into first thing tomorrow. Once we get to tomorrow afternoon and particularly into the evening, that's when we have an increased risk. New this morning, most of us south of the Tennessee River are now upgraded one level. We are now in a level 4 out of 5 risk for strong and severe storms. North of the river, you remain in a level 3. I know this is a daunting day. I know there's a lot to track, and I know it can make us a little bit scared, but you're not going to be at work, most of us. Most will not be at school. So use today to have a plan in place for your Saturday. We're going to be here with you, getting you the information you need to keep you and your family safe. I promise you that much. Here's how it looks. We're going to be cloudy through the day today. Then when we head to bed, we're still just cloudy. Into the wee hours of the morning, we're going to start to see some light rain come into play. Really not overly consequential at that point. We'll see pockets of heavier rain, but most of what we're seeing is just very light showers through about sunrise. Here we are at 7:30. Sunrise is at 7 a.m. We're starting to see pockets of some of that heavier rain develop. By late breakfast time, 8 and 9 o'clock in the morning, we could start to see some strong and severe storms pop off. We talked about this yesterday. This is not keeping a neat linear formation. It's sloppy. It's covering the entire Tennessee Valley, and strong and severe storms could pop off at any area at any time thanks to this system. We stay this way through lunchtime. Then we have a little bit of a lull, particularly in the east, and in the late afternoon, we welcome in the stronger of the two severe weather threats. I don't tell you that to scare you, but I just tell you there is one that's a little bit weaker, and that's in the morning. We still need to take it seriously, but then it's in the afternoon, once we're all already awake and weather aware, that we're tracking the threat for even more severe weather. That sticks with us as a cold front stretches into the shoals around dinner time, continues to track east through bedtime. That will bring our last possible round of severe weather through bedtime, and then we'll have just some rain that takes us into first thing on Sunday. Your greatest of the threats is that damaging straight line wind, but flooding, tornadoes, and hail are possibilities that we are truly keeping our eyes on. 31 triple Doppler right now, 452 on your Friday morning is cloudy. Temperatures outside are sitting in the upper 50s, near 60. Our high temperature later today makes it into the 80s. When we get to Sunday and next week, conditions are beautiful. They're sunny and they're calm. Stay with us.